Okay, so I had a friend that dared me to post something ridiculous on YouTube. Um, I'm going to be doing an array of animal noises, and I'm prepared to get some hate mail for this, or well, maybe not hate mail, but people are probably going to make fun of me for it. But it's okay, I don't care. YouTube, broadcast yourself, right? May as well do something to make it worthwhile. Maybe I'll get famous. Who knows? So I have a list of animals in front of me that I have that my friend wants me to do. She thinks that I have a really talented talent. So here goes. Alright, first I guess I'll go ahead and do a wolf. And beware, I do facial expressions with this, so it might look a little odd, but that's just what I do. I watch National Geographic way too much. Okay, I'm ready to do this now. Great, I think my dog's starting to howl. I have an Alaskan Malamute and a Basset Hound, and they both love to howl when I start howling with them. And I will record that one of these days. So that was my wolf. I'm going to go ahead and do the cougar. I'm basically doing like Northwest animals, so here's my cougar. That was my cougar. My parents are probably wondering what the hell I'm doing. But I do this on a daily basis, so it doesn't matter. What else? Let's see, I could do a zebra. That's one of their calls, and I could do a hyena. This is, okay, different continent, Africa, I guess. Sounded like a monkey. That's my hyena. I can't do the lion. I'm working on that, but I could do like a lion mating call / lioness call for their cub. That's one. Sounded weird. I could do a seagull. Everybody loves a seagull. You do a chicken, I think. And a rooster. I'm possessed! No. What else can I do? I could do a chihuahua, so we'll do domesticated animals. That was an old possessed chihuahua. Let's see, I could do a Rottweiler. I didn't take my pills. Let's see, I could do a hound. stressed stallion. I got in trouble for making that specific noise. My friend Kim has horses out in Belfair. I live in Port Orchard, Washington, by the way. Doubt I'll ever get famous because this is a really little town. But I have a friend in Belfair, and she has a couple of horses. And I made that noise, and she got really, really mad. And she's like, "Don't do that. That's a threat." And I'm like, "Oh crap!" So I have yet to work on a regular horse making noise. So yeah, like it's pretty hard. It brings a lot of stress onto your vocal cords, and I'm surprised I haven't gotten like some sort of weird like disease, or well, not a disease, like bronchitis or whatever. But yeah, I can also do a cockatoo. Had a couple of friends that owned cockatoos, and I studied them, and I would mimic their movements and make good friends with them. Unfortunately, both of them died. One got ate up by mastiffs, and one died of old age. But we were pretty good friends, and I was sad. Okay, here goes. There's my cockatoo. I could do a crow. I'm trying to work on the crow. There's my crow. Oh, what else can I do? Let's see. I used to be able to do the howler monkey, but I kind of forgot what they sound like, so I don't want to look like a fool on here. Wow, it's been 8 minutes so far? Jeez! Let's see. I'm trying to figure out what else I could do. I could do a cat. That was a mean cat. My cat used to do that to me all the time, hiss at me. But I'd pull his tail. Let's see. I'm making weird noises, or weird faces now. Let's see. I guess that's pretty much it. If I come up with any new ones, I'll post some more on there if nobody got freaked out. But hey, anyways, there's my noises. All right.